If you're in first year, if you're struggling with anatomy, then this app will truly make life a lot easier. So the first video I watched on Medimagic was brachial plexus, and the concept of brachial plexus isn't very easy to understand when you look at it in the cadaver, because there are too many nerves and you can't spot all of them. So after watching it 2-3 times, I was quite thorough with the concept, enough that I could teach my friends about it too. Another such topic in anatomy was perineum, and this topic is a nightmare for most first year medical students. Perineum was so excellently demonstrated on the Medimagic app that even when I was writing the answers of perineum in my exam, I could visualize watching that video and everything I saw there, because the topic of perineum in general is layers, and it's not very clear even when you're dissecting, but Medimagic dissected it very easily for us. Every layer was shown, every structure was shown. That topic is at your fingertips until you master it. Another thing about Medimagic is the diagrams that we see in our book. They're basically sections, but in the videos they show you how the section is made, so that gives you a better orientation of the whole structure together. So if it says it's a sagittal section in the picture, you might not know what it is and how you came about it, but on the video they show you making the section, so that way you can remember how and what its orientation is. So yeah, it helps you in both understanding and visualizing. So the lockdown was announced, and more so than the theory classes, we were worried about practicals and dissection. So we started looking around everywhere for alternatives. Some of us started reading books, some of us tried YouTube, but it was not all in one place. And if there was something good for one topic, you cannot lean back on that channel or that book for all the other topics. But Medimagic app has videos for a lot of topics. In fact, most of the topics in the textbook are covered. So whether it's an easy topic or a difficult topic, you can go about it like how you always read the book. But in lockdown, it so happened that the theory classes were there, you weren't understanding anything, there was no dissection. So in the end, you were very confused. But when you open the app, you have all the videos there. So you can go about it through like the same steps. Some days I watched the video even before the theory class was held. So I had some sort of an added advantage while the class was going on, that I could make sense of more of what the teacher was saying that day. Because I had watched the video before, and the orientation when they say lateral, medial, superior, inferior, you would have watched it before. So while the others are struggling to wrap their head around it, what are they talking about or something, you had an idea and you can always go watch it again. So Medimagic has this amazing option of downloading, so I can watch it when there is no internet. And so many times, due to the Wi-Fi issues and the power cuts, when there was no internet in lockdown, I had those set of videos which I used to watch. I watched it in the bus when I used to come back from college, in all the hustling, bustling crowd. So I used to hold my phone like that and watch the video with headphones. So that's another place, because at times during lunch break we have time left, and for some reason we feel like studying or at least talking about studies. So this was one of my special moments of college, where we used to have tables in the canteen and all my friends used to surround the table, and the phone used to be in the middle, and we used to play it on loud. And yeah, before we know it, the crowd would have increased, because everyone will see you gathered around the table looking at something so curiously, and then they'll see it's study. So yeah, what started off as like 3 people looking at a video will become like 8 or 9. I used to watch the video on 2x or 1.5x and just, okay, yeah, this is where it is. And coincidentally, if it comes in the exam, there'll be no happier moment for you. were getting distracted when they were watching TV shows and movies, I could really lean back on Medimagic because it's more productive than not doing anything at all. And somewhere, something you would have heard, you would remember, and it really helps while you're properly sitting down and reading. So Medimagic not only helped me understand it, but it also kept me more focused. If you're in first year, if you're struggling with anatomy, then this app will truly make life a lot easier, because the concepts that you will struggle to understand, you will learn it within minutes after watching the Medimagic videos, even for the first time.